Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you find right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. The reason being, if you press that bell, what ends up happening, it's called the notification bell, is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video. And if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I always want to make sure that you guys know about it as well, because I do upload a lot and sometimes my videos are time sensitive and I don't want you guys to miss out. So make sure to ring that bell as well as press that subscribe button and you'll be all set. Also, just a simple reminder about that thumbs up. It's right underneath the video. If you're enjoying my content, please press that thumbs up. It means a lot on the YouTube platform. Okay, today I'm really excited to share this with you guys. I'm also going to leave in the description box down below. I do have links and everything. You just have to go all the way to the bottom of my description box because I always try to put the most recent information up on top. But all of my links, if I get discounts or links, if you guys want to join anything that I have a link to, you know, sometimes we get points, whatever. I just want to make sure that you guys know all the information is in the description box. So discount codes, anything that I do, I put it all in the description box for you guys. Okay, notice the color of the box, it's red. This is their special edition box that, as you know, and I shared with you, and if you don't, I will leave those videos in the description box down below. Allure has changed their box. Starting October 1st, it's going up from a $15 a month box to $23. So I shared all that with you. I will leave, like I said, that video linked in the description box so that you guys can check it out if you're not familiar with what I did or how it all worked and all of that. I will leave that there so I don't have to go through it again in this video. What I want to tell you guys in this video is that when I signed up for the year on Allure.com, which is where you can sign up for the year to benefit if you want to lock in your price for an entire year still at that $15 with all the new benefits that are going to happen when the box does become 23, which is October the 1st. When I signed up for it, I did it in the month of August, and they had a special going on at that time that I shared with you guys. I don't know if it's still going on now, but when I did it, you got not only to freeze your price, you also got this bonus box. It came after the box that I got, which that video should already be up because I'm doing a giveaway on that video, and I'll have that video linked also down in the description box. So if you haven't seen it, I want to make sure that you sign up for that giveaway, because that giveaway is going to be the entire August box because it's a duplicate of everything in that box. So I was thinking, should I do each item or should I just do one whole box? And I decided to do just one whole box because I just thought it was really exciting that someone can get the whole box and see what it's all about. All right, so this box arrived, and this box that's in red, it says on it that it's a special edition, and what this is the bonus items that you get if you sign up for a year. So not only did I lock in my price for the $15, this box was also having over $200 and something retail value in the box. But like I tell you all the time, retail value for me is a real sticky situation because I'm from the business world, and you know, we sell to wholesale. It's a manufacturer suggested retail, and if you're a good shopper and with, you know, all these pop-ups and everything that we get, hopefully most of us are not paying retail anymore. So the retail value to me, or a value of a box to me, is if you're going to use the items that are in the box, then of course it's worth the value of what you paid. This was free, so everything in here has an extra special meaning to me because I can't believe that I got to lock my price in and get this bonus box. So I'm going to share with you everything that was in this bonus box. I think other people have gotten different items because a month ago, I'm pretty sure it's over a month or two ago, I watched somebody do this and they were locked in for a year. So this bonus box has been going on for a while. I never locked in for a full year with Allure. I was on the month-to-month with Amazon and I was comfortable with that. But because they gave, if the only way you can lock in is if you signed up for the year, so I got this box. I really thought it was going to be filled with a lot of items that I already had because I've been with Allure for such a long time. Not so. So I'm going to share everything with you. I think I might have maybe 2 or 3 duplicates in here that will go in for my gift area for future. But otherwise, everything else is brand new. So I'm so excited about this. The only thing in this box is there is no card. There is nothing, no information. So I'm just going to show you the items. And we're just going to go through this really quickly so that you will see and share with me that if you did sign up for the full year and you already got your box, if you got some of the same items or if you got different items, because like I said, when I watched, I wish I could remember who it was, that they opened up their box, and this is, like I said, it's got to be a few months ago. It was all items that I already owned. So I said, it didn't even interest me to sign up for the year, even though it was a $200 worth of products, but it was already products that I've already owned or given away and tried. And so there was no value to me at that time. But to lock in the price and to get free gifts, why not? But this even surprised me even more because, like I said, it's all new items to me. This is a brand that I started to really look out for. It is called Dr. Botanicals. And I haven't tried this one yet. I have tried a sleeping mask and I fell in love with it. And I was hoping it was going to be in the previous pop-up, but it wasn't. But I'm going to double check because I wasn't sure if I got it from BoxyCharm or from Ipsy, but I really enjoyed it a lot. And I definitely would have replenished it. This one is called the Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter. This is what the tube looks like. This is a full-size product. Their products come like this in full size. And this is supposed to be, especially if you have like cracked lips, cracked teals, it's that type of like rescue butter. It sounds fantastic. Cannot wait to try that. The next item is one that I have used and I have enjoyed. And this Momad brand is also a really good one. And this is the oil to foam, and it has the rose flavor to this. Scent to it. It is a cleanser. So this probably is going to go in also to a future giveaway because you know about me and Rose. The next item here is from Saint-Tropez, and this is their Self-Tan in Purity. I've never tried, I did own years ago one from Saint-Tropez, their tanning sprays. Something like this I would probably try. I used to enjoy the self-tanners. I used to mainly use the one that I enjoyed the best for me was the one that was Tantal. So if we traveled, it was an easy thing to pack and take if I wanted to just, you know, go down to the pool and area. So at least I'd have a little bit of color. But they're still with me, and I know they say there isn't any, but for me, I'm very sensitive to scent. There seems to be some odor when it comes to these tanning products that for me, I don't enjoy. So this I will try though, because I did enjoy the Saint-Tropez. I got a cream from them once. This one here is from Momad. It's a Red Energy Discovery Serum. I think I had the opportunity to try this. I'm going to check my notes, and if I did, this will definitely go into a future giveaway. This is from Olay Eyes. It is a retinol eye treatment. I have enjoyed the retinols. I got to try a couple of also the Allure brand, the O-L-A-Y, Olay. Excuse me, I don't know where my head's at. I'm exhausted. It's the end of the day. This here is the Olay brand, and this I've had the opportunity. It was in a couple of the jars with their retinol, their new one, and I really enjoyed it. So I'm excited to have one that's for the eye. Then they have something from this brand called Laritzi. It is a liquid beam. It's a multi-purpose liquid illuminator, and that's what this looks like here. So I don't know if this is for the eyes or for the lips. It doesn't say anything on the box, so I'm going to have to do a little bit more research, but it says it's multi-purpose, so maybe it can be for both. The next item I got is from Iolites. It's a metallic eyeshadow, and I haven't even tried the Stila ones. I have them. I have to try them. This is going to go in that area, and I will definitely give that a try as well. The next item that I got was from this brand that I really enjoy also, and I got introduced to this brand. I'm pretty sure it was from Ipsy, and it is called Dupes, D-O-U-C-C-E. I got a couple of their liquid eyeliners, and I really enjoyed them. I got one in brown and one in black, and I did enjoy them. This one looks like it's the same color as the tip here, so this is going to be really nice fall color, and it is a lip crayon. Then I got a couple of brushes. One I know I already own, so I'm going to double check, but if I do, like I said, you know where that goes. And then this is from Luxie, and I own a lot of Luxie brushes too, so if this one has a number on it, I will double check, and the same thing will go with this one here. Enjoy Luxie brushes a lot. Then we got from Mally, this is an Evercolor Shadow Stick Extra. If you haven't tried her shadow sticks, this is where I got introduced to shadow sticks, from her and then Tarte. These are fantastic if the color is light enough, and this one looks like it is. That, especially when it's, if you live like, you know, Texas or Florida, where, you know, the humidity's high, these you put on, they go on like a cream. It's very easy even to put it on just with your fingers, and it gives you a flush of color on your eyelids, and it's 1, 2, 3. But what's great about it also is you can use it as an eyelid primer, because what I do is, if during the day this is what I have, and then we have plans to go out at nighttime, I will then just spruce up my eye look, but this ends up becoming the base, and it doesn't crease, it doesn't anything, so I really, really enjoy that. This one is a new product to me, and like I said, a lot of these are brands that I never even saw in any of my boxes. This one is called Ortki-Tekel. You guys have to correct me if I'm wrong. I have no idea anything about this. It says LA Splash Cosmetics. This is going to be the first time I'm trying any of their products as well, which is so exciting for me. It says, do not shake before use, which for a liquid eyeliner, I've never heard of that before. And it looks like it's going to be a really interesting color, and it has that fine tip as well. So excited to give this a try. Like I said, new to me completely. Then we got from Floss, and I got introduced to this brand because of Allure. I got, in one of my boxes, I got one like this that was in a clear pink, which I used almost to the end and I replenished. Then I got one in this one that's called Lax. It is a fantastic color. It is that peachy type of nude, which I absolutely enjoy. And I love when they come with these long applicators and in these type of containers, because they're so easy to just take with you everywhere. I am enjoying it so much. And then in this box, you're going to get that Floss highlighter. So this is the brand. This is how I got introduced to the brand. Really excited about that. Then these are going to be 2 duplicates. It's going to go also into the giveaway area. These are still in the box that are here. These are the ones that I pulled out from my area. This one here is in Mykonos. This is what this one looks like here. And then the other one is in Saint-Tropez, and that's what that one looks like there. So they are 2 completely different, unique products, and I'm so excited that I own both, and that will be something that will be, like I said, in a future gift area. Then I always wanted this, and it was part of a huge kit. And it was when Nikki Tutorials did, she is the queen of highlighter. And this is her collaboration that she did with Ofra. And I never owned this. I have Ofra highlighters in a Rodeo Drive. I think I just got one called Donut Glaze or something. I have a bunch, but I never had the one that had all 3 colors in it. So I'm so excited that this was in there. So another fantastic item. And then finally, I think this was the last item, was one of these little boxes, which I think I already have. I pulled out because I wanted to start using these, but this one is in black. And when it's in the black box, I think it is the black one. So if that is, when I check everything, then this will also go into a future giveaway. So this has been fantastic. I cannot tell you that there's enough here that I'll get to enjoy and review on, and yet there are still enough here that for future giveaways I'll be able to share. And to me, that's a true bonus box. So once again, I will leave all those other videos linked underneath in the description box for you guys. Oh, and there was also, sorry, here, this from Vita Liberté. This is also a type of tan, I think, towel type of product. So this one also, really excited to give it a try. And I love when they come in these type of packaging because they're so easy to travel with. I know I say that because that was my life for so long, but that's always stuff that I looked for. So really happy to have that. So once again, everybody, I appreciate so much that you take any time out of your day to spend it with me here. I will have the giveaway linked there. I will have the Allure video of the August box link there, and I will also put in there the Allure, what's going to be changing for October 1st. So if you want to get in September so that you can get in at the $15 price. If not, and you just want to continue with month to month, and that's where you're comfortable, then that's fine too. And I don't, like I said, I don't know that if you sign up, if this is what they're doing still, but always check on the Allure.com website because they always are making changes on there, and it's the easiest. By the time this comes up, it could have changed again. So I don't want to share it in a video because it changes on their website all the time, what their product is for new people and things like that. So I want to make sure that you guys know about that as well. All right. Once again, like I said, as always, I appreciate so much that you guys take any time out of your day to share in this excitement with me that I have, and the passion that I have for makeup and products, and being able to give back and forth. And it just means everything to me that you guys are enjoying it as much as I am. And make sure to subscribe, because if we do any giveaways or anything like that, it's free, but it's for you guys that are supporting me, and that's my way of being able to give back. So that giveaway video will be in the description box. It's under that video that you need to enter, as well as the other videos that I think are ones that you should look into in reference to Allure. All right? Okay, I think that's everything. I think I got everything covered. All right, once again, thank you, and I will see you all in my next video. But everybody, still during this time, please continue to stay safe and stay well, because all of this is only fun if you have your health. So please continue to stay safe and stay well, and I'll see you all in my next video. Take care and bye-bye for now.